16mm square mild steel stock. I've marked out my handle as per the way I've been taught to make Tong nibs. I'll cover the details of marking the handle out for this in a previous video, and I'll put the link up there, hopefully. And I'm just going to crack on and see if I can do 3 set downs in 3 heats. I doubt it, but I'll try. Strange. I don't know why I've ended up with a deeper cut there than there. I've obviously hit it harder there than here. Yeah, there we go. That's about right. Right, second set down. Not bad. Third set down, first, second. Whoa. No, I haven't got that right, have I? No, I haven't finished this one, I didn't do it right. No! I missed something out. I've got to come back here, a hammer and a half, and go in with the heel. Better. Just got the third set down to do now. First set down, turn left. Second set down, turn left. 1, 2, 3. bad, you know. Not bad at all. Right, do another one the same, haha. With this size of stock, which is pretty hefty, I've been told, and I found, you have to heat it pretty slowly because you want the heat to penetrate right to the centre of the bar. Otherwise you just get the outside hot and the inside isn't, and then that's going to cause you problems. First set down. First set down, turn left. Second set down. Trying to get rid of some of the more savage hammer marks in that. One, turn left, two, turn left again. Ooh, I've done to the right. Making a mush of this tonight. The old $64,000 question, are they both the same? And the answer is not terribly far out. I don't think that's bad, you know. I think I'm getting better at this game. Hey? Yes. They might be wrong, of course. I'll find out. There we go. 2 Tong nib blanks. They're not quite the same, but they're not far out. How would they go together? They go together like that, wouldn't they? That's good fashion. There we go. See what the tongs are like when I've finished them.